Welcome back to Intables, everyone. So I'm going to go with you guys on SIGA, a major monkeypox stock that we had previously in the Intables room. And again, if you guys are interested in intraday perspective breakouts within the same day, for example, with SIGA that we had previously jumping up all the way just under $15. And then recently we have a rejection that we had here at about $13 on our gap down, and we are just below that $13 level. What exactly has to happen on the larger time frames to continue on above this level and to continue on above our highs of the month that we had just under $15? I'm going to go over all of this with you guys. Now, before I jump into this, all I ask in return is you smash that like button, and if you do not want to miss any of our market updates or our potential breakouts that we mentioned throughout the week, hit subscribe. And if you guys are day traders or you guys are looking for intraday perspective breakouts all throughout the week, go to instables.com in the description below, and only for $15 a month, you guys will never miss a breakout alert today again. So let's jump into this one. So jumping into the daily chart with you guys here on SIGA, as you guys can see, we had a major spike previously all the way up to $14.90, just under our $15 psychological resistance. And as you guys can see, we did also get a rejection just under our $14.90 level, which gave us a double top and that continuation on lower. However, as you guys can see, we did have a bounce back, and now we are getting a green candle above our 20-day moving average. And this is why a lot of people are keeping SIGA on the watch. Again, this is a monkeypox stock, and a lot of people are curious if we're going to have a major breakout like we did with our COVID vaccine stocks, which we are going to need news here to continue on higher above our double top that we had here. And I believe that news is going to have to be a large amount of increases in monkeypox cases, which there hasn't been major news on that quite yet. But however, monkeypox cases are surely rising. So we will continue to keep SIGA on the watch for any speculative play or as a possible news play. If we do get that news, of course, we will mention this in the Intables room. As you guys can see, again, we do have our green candle now respecting our 20. However, on our MACD, as you guys can see, we have EMA lines that are crossed below. Even though we did have that bounce and we did have that spike back over our 20-day moving average, we still have our EMA lines crossing down here, which shows us that bearish momentum on the daily chart. However, if we do get our EMA lines to cross back over here, which is exactly what we're looking for to get more confirmation on strength, it doesn't mean that we're necessarily going to continue on into higher highs, but it does mean that we can continue on higher, and that would be what we'd be looking for to continue on higher. As you guys can see, as far as our buy pressure and sell pressure, we do have, again, our white shaded line coming in as our decrease in sell pressure, which does show us that we could shift the momentum and get that possible increase in buy pressure, get a possible bounce, and we will be looking for that confirmation to break above our small peak of buy pressure that we have here to get more confirmation on that. So that is why a lot of people are going to keep this on watch, because again, if we do break above our smaller amount of buy pressure here, then we could have confirmation on a stronger intraday play. But as far as that continuation to break over 15 with that strong move, and again, breaking above and having that parabolic play, we want to break above our previous momentum that we had, and again, that is our previous buy pressure. So as far as confirmation intraday and what we're looking for to have a continuation on higher, we want to break above our peak that we had here on our buy pressure, and again, our white shaded line showing us that we are decreasing in sell pressure for that attempt, but again, no guarantee, and we will keep this on the watch for this confirmation. Now, looking at our RSI, again, our relative strength, as you guys can see, we are still above the median of our RSI. We almost dropped below it here, but however, we did stay above the median of our MACD, which shows us that we still could continue on higher. Again, we did go overbought when we did have our major spike previously, so what we'll be looking for here is to see if we can jump back into overbought territory. Again, that would be breaking above our previous peaks that we had on our RSI, so that would show us more confirmation on the continuation on higher is to break back into overbought. Now, again, we were overbought previously, so we're going to be careful here, and that is why we're going to continue to look for confirmation and not chase SIGA intraday. However, if you do believe that we're going to have a large amount of increase in monkeypox cases, then that's totally your long play to play if you guys are going to do that. But as far as intraday, this is what we're going to need to get more increases in buy pressure and to get momentum going to give us that stronger push up. But again, a lot of people will keep this on watch because we did bounce back over our 20, looking to see if we can respect it, and now we want to see if our 20 can start to curl up, so that way we have that attempt to test our $15 psychological resistance that we did get rejected just below. So again, we will continue to keep SIG on the watch. We could definitely break out at any point in time. However, we are going to need our increase in buy pressure and our confirmation to get there. Now, again, with that said, if you are a day trader or you are looking for intraday perspective breakouts that we mention every single day throughout the week, go to instables.com in the description below, and you will never miss a breakout alert today again. And again, all of you instables that come over every single day and support the channel, hope you guys enjoy the rest of your 3-day weekend. We will continue to go at it starting Tuesday. I can't wait to go back at it, honestly. I enjoy doing this every single day with you guys in the Intables room. And again, if you guys do like this video, it does help the channel grow, and I do appreciate it very much. And again, God bless you all, and I'll see you guys in the next video.